Hey, boys and girls, it's Miss Holub on location in her backyard. I thought it would be appropriate considering about what we're talking about today. What are we talking about? Well, first of all, where do we live? Where do I live? Where do you live? You might have said Texas. Do we live in Texas? We do. You might have said Elgin. And both of those places are on something called what? You may know? Planet Earth. That's right. Here is our planet. It looks a lot smaller there, right? It's not the real size of it. And what planet is next to it? Do you see that? We talked about that last week. Starts with an M. Mars. That's right. So we live on planet Earth. That's another up close video. Today, we are going to view the planet Earth from space, and we're going to learn a little bit more about the planet that we live on. So, your purpose for watching this next video is going to be to think of one fact that you didn't know before. So something that you learned that you didn't know before. Okay? That's your purpose for watching. So let's sing the listening song. Eyes are looking, ears are listening, voices are shh, body is calm. This is how we listen. This is how we listen all day long. All day long. Here we go. Yeah. You are looking at the solar system. We're going to take a deeper look at planet Earth. Do you want to join us? The Earth is the only known planet to have life. Hold on tight. Here we go. Now we're on Earth, a planet full of life. That is why it is so important for us to protect and take care of the environment.
That's right, our environment.
Planet from the sun. You probably already know a lot about the planet Earth, because Earth is the planet where we live. Although it is the largest of the inner planets, or the four rocky planets that orbit nearest the sun, the Earth is far, far smaller than the four gas giants that circle the outer edges of the solar system. The Earth is also the first planet when traveling out from the sun to have moons, and the only planet in the solar system to have only one moon. And Mars, do you remember how many moons Mars had that we learned last week? How many? 4. That's right. 4 moons. Pretty crazy. The Earth is unique among the planets of the solar system because Earth is the only planet that has liquid water on its surface.
That could be a fact.
Other planets are either too hot, causing all their water to evaporate into gases, or too cold, causing any water they have to freeze into ice. The Earth is about 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers away from the sun, which keeps it at just the right temperature to have liquid water. And the Earth has a lot of water. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans. That means that the oceans are more than twice the size of all the land on Earth. Because Earth has so much water on it, it is sometimes called a blue planet. So Earth is known as the what planet? Blue planet. And what color was Mars known as? The red planet.
Another fact.
So did you think about one thing you learned? One fact? I learned that Earth is called the blue planet because it's mostly made up of water. What did you learn? Wow, isn't that amazing? We learn things all the time. So now I want to ask you something. When you look outside your window, what do you see? Take a look at this video and see what Miss Holub saw. Here we go. Outside look. Well, this is our school garden. Grass. The earth is made up of grass and different layers of sediment or soil underneath.
That would be a fact.
The earth is made up of plants. We're going to be doing some planting soon. When you look outside your window, what do you see? What do you see? Look at the sky. See the clouds? I'm going to go back because do you see right here when I was showing you the sky? I'm going to pause that. Oops. Yeah, see that? Okay, so then if we go over here and we look at the Earth from space, okay, what do you think those are? Those white parts? Clouds. Very good job. So, or atmosphere. We call that the atmosphere. It's a big word. Clap it out. Atmosphere. So now I'd like you to pause the video and look out your window, and then I want you to think about what you just saw. Okay, like I showed you. You ready? Okay, pause the video and go look out the window. Ready, set, go. Are you back? What did you see? Trees, grass, ooh, some trash. Ooh, we'll talk about that. So now, guess what we get to do? We get to draw a picture of what makes up our world. Okay? So,
now, can your world look different than mine? Absolutely. I hope your world looks different than mine. Think about what's in your world. What did your backyard look like? What did it look like when you were looking out the window? Where does your grandparents live if you are able to visit them, right? Do you have any pets? What does your world look like on planet Earth? So Miss Holub thought of those things, and I went ahead and did a little picture. So I teach at Elgin Elementary School, and this is my class of students in my classroom, and this is my home. There's Mama Moo. Meow. Okay, I can't wait to see yours because we all have our own worlds, but one thing we share in common is we share the planet Earth. We all live on planet Earth. We must first understand our world to understand the world. Okay, that's it for me. And tomorrow is Earth Day. Oh my goodness. We're going to talk about that tomorrow. And we're going to talk about a word that starts with an R, recycling. Who's heard of that? Ooh, stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye, guys.